Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we've got a very new and exciting range of products for you from a brand called Airpulse. Now we've got two of the models here. We've got the cheaper ones, which are the A100's, and the mid-range ones, which are the A100's. So we're going to open them up and highlight a few of their features. So let's get straight into it. So if you saw our previous video on the smaller A100's, these ones have some very similar features, but a few different things. So to start off with, one of the differences is you get a larger 5-inch aluminium cone bass driver there, and a horn-loaded ribbon tweeter. At the back, you get analog and digital inputs, as well as an active subwoofer output, and all your adjustments there. You also get 100 watts of power. Now that means you're going to get clear and crisp audio out of these speakers at a very decent volume. The A100's come in different colours to the A100's. These ones come in gloss red, gloss white and a gloss black. They're all available on our website, so you can click the link down in the description if you want to take a look at that. That's going to be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see the larger A300's, that video will be coming very soon, so keep your eyes out for that. Thank you for watching AudioTrends TV, and we'll catch you later.